Hi, do you remember what you had for lunch 2 weeks back? No. If you can't remember what you had for lunch 2 weeks ago, what makes you think you are going to remember the most important points from your class, presentation, or meeting? Taking notes allows you to highlight key points and details that might otherwise slip your mind, and you never know when these fragments of knowledge will come in handy. Tim Ferriss, a world-renowned American author, once mentioned that he takes notes like some people take drugs, and even detailed his note-taking process on his blog. We'll link his blog in the description below. Taking notes not only helps you retain more information, I call the process backing myself up, but it's also the key to boosting your productivity, as proven by Tim, both at work and at home. Here is how. Number 1, it relieves stress. When your mind's swarming with loose ends to tie, writing them down helps you reduce your cluttered thoughts, which reduces stress. It's also a great way to set aside your overwhelm so that you can focus on the task at hand. Number 2, it helps keep your schedule intact. I have found that taking notes throughout my workday is the best way to stay focused on my to-do list. So many requests come to us from so many directions, emails, phone calls, text messages, that it becomes hard not to get sucked into the busy but not productive mess this creates. Before you know it, the day is over and only a fraction of your to-do list is finished because you were too busy focusing on tasks that felt urgent but really weren't. I find that taking notes as new requests come in help me incorporate them into my future schedule without derailing my plans for that day. Number 3, it is easy to convert your notes into a to-do list. This is especially true during meetings and classes. Say you have a brainstorming session with co-workers or questions about a lecture you are attending. So you write down what you need to follow up on afterward. The notes from your brainstorming session can be turned into a to-do list to make sure you accomplish what you need to after the meeting's over. While your lecture notes give you a checklist to follow when filling in holes on what you are learning. Number 4, you create quality reference materials. If you want to become the best in your field, taking notes is your ticket to making it happen. As you build your career and keep track of what you are learning, you will have easy access to your very own refresher courses. Number 5, you can share your notes with co-workers and friends. Quality notes not only help you build a strong arsenal of knowledge, but they can help make a difference in the lives of those you care about as well. If a new co-worker needs to get caught up on a project they are working with you on, they can refer to your notes to catch up without feeling overwhelmed. If a friend misses class due to a family emergency, your notes can help them get back on track. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Number 6, it improves the quality of everything you do. Whether you are putting together a report for work or tweaking a recipe for your next social gathering, taking notes helps you improve every project, every hobby, and every event you participate in. It's a detail-oriented way to process your learning experience, which eventually leads to expert status at work or a topper badge at studies. Number 7, taking notes makes you look good. It shows you care and you are fully present during the learning process. Taking notes is a subtle action that reveals much about a person's character, patience, determination, and attention to detail. It also shows you are efficient and don't allow what's important to fall through the cracks. Stay tuned for more such videos and important book reviews. Thank you for watching. See you next time.